Hi, my name is Krista Atkins, and today I'm going to be going over the few ways that I'm going to achieve being in the accounting field and also what makes me me. So, my family, friends, and coworkers will describe me as a very fun, positive, energetic person. I know that life can be very stressful, and I know that accountants can also be very stressed, especially during tax season. A lot of people will be, overworked, exhausted, and a little bit grumpy sometimes, and one thing that I will always bring into my job place is a smile and a positive attitude. I love bringing up my coworkers' morale and making them happy, and I am a very strong believer that a happy team is a successful team. My main objective is to hopefully get my CPA one day, but first I would like to set up a job and gain some experience and hopefully find a firm that I fit in with. And also, a lot of these firms will be willing to help you out and help pay for the CPA, which will be great for me. A few external factors that accountants have to work on and watch out for is the frequent changes of laws and regulations. For example, income tax codes will change on a federal or state level, or if you're working in payroll, you have to keep up with either employee rate changes, employee compensation. Those are just a few things that accountants have to look out for, and one of the ways that I will be able to keep up with these changes is to set up news alerts, monitoring upcoming legislations, and just staying ahead. I'm a strong believer that staying ahead and keeping up with these changes is going to ensure that I will be able to apply my best work possible for my company. A couple internal values that I have to bring to the accounting is my technology, communication, and organization skills. For example, I actually built my own computer my senior year of high school, and I just now recently updated it. I'm also very, very familiar with Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and some accounting systems. I think that my wide variety of technology skills will make me proficient in learning any other new skill, software, technology that a company requires me to do. And some of the communication skills that I've gained is from waiting tables during college. It has allowed me to be comfortable talking to new people and also how to deal with unpleasant clients or people that have language barriers between each other. And also, it's taught me how to deal with remaining calm, communicating effectively under stressful situations, because it can be a little bit stressful working in a restaurant, especially when you have to work an engagement party last minute, having to organize all of that, make everything perfect, keeping up with time management skills of when things are supposed to come out for everyone. I've been doing it for years, so I think my waiting tables has made me excellent for working with people and talking as well with anyone that needs it. One of my first goal is to eventually move out of Amarillo, and to do this, I would like to move to Denver, Colorado. So one of my first things I would like to do is set up a LinkedIn account and look around jobs or companies and people that are in that area and kind of get an idea of what kind of companies are there. Also attending job fairs here and there, because some job fairs here will also have companies, that are not in Texas. So I think that'll be a good way for me to gain knowledge and experience of what exactly some accounting firms want, and also the type of accountant that I would like to pursue with. I think applying for as many jobs as possible is a great interview experience and learning experience as well. I'll be able to be more comfortable in the interview aspect and also gain experience about what accounting firms are actually looking for. I'm a very engaging person. I'm not afraid to ask questions. I'm not afraid of hard work either. I love to keep up with relevant trends. I love to keep up with the new technology, and I just love being overall a very happy, positive person. And I think all accounting firms need at least that one person that is willing to put in the hard work and also have a smile on their face. Thank you.